Good morning, everyone. We all know the impact that AI has in our environment. For talking about that, today we have Andres Barrantes. He is CEO of Nubu, and he is an expert in artificial intelligence from the National University of Colombia. With a lot of knowledge applying AI in big organizations of the public sector, he is going to talk us about the experience of Nubu applying AI for environmental projects, especially for support public policies.
Okay, Andres, thank you so much for the space. Nice to meet you. And for beginning, I want to you can to talk to me about what is Nubu, what are you doing, and especially in the environment projects like I don't know prevents natural disasters or something like that.
Okay, thank you, Manuel. Nice to see you, and thank you for the opportunity to talk about the Nubu. Nubu is a AI and machine learning consulting partner. We are a premier partner of Amazon Web Services, and we've
Okay,
been developing many several projects using machine learning. For instance, the Mohana region, they have several issues with the water that have impact in social, cultural, economics. So we developed racks, multiple racks in a
okay,
cognitive
interesting.
architecture to help the policy making and decision making based on data. Other projects similar is in the mayor office of Cali. It's at the third mayor office in Colombia. So they have landslide during some seasons. So we did a model using several data sources like precipitation, seasonality, and stuff like that, trying to prevent or predict when it's going to occur a landslide.
Okay, in general, it's like using AI to support the decisions to improve the environmental impacts cli- and the climate change impacts in the society, even in specific regions, like right
Yes,
or
absolutely right. So,
okay,
well, the data that we need to process to get the decision making more objective or more data based, it's almost impossible with the tons of data that is there. So, the AI and machine learning help us to put the information, organize, detect the patterns, and help them to take the decisions using the data.
what opportunities you can see to use AI to improve other environment impacts in Colombia or in general?
Actually, we are working, we are reaching out oil and gas regulator. So we are helping them. We're trying to structure a proof of concept how to anticipate oil leaks. The oil leaks has several impacts on the environment, in the water, in the land side. So we're trying to figure out how can we predict or prevent these leaks occur.
Oh, okay, okay. And all of this is using machine learning and LLMs models, all
Well,
the new technology. Or
we have learned something. Normally, we need to use like a chain of AIs. In some
okay,
cases, we need to use LLMs to get the unstructured data to get ready to have data points ready for doing prediction, then use prediction, and then use LLMs to help them to analyze the data. So it's like a chain
okay.
of AIs for helping them to achieve their
Oh,
goals.
that sounds really, really interesting. But one of the biggest problems of AI is the negative impact that have in the environment. For example, the water consumption, the energy consumption, the e-waste generation. In your opinion, what we can do to decrease this impact and when the people think AI and environment things in AI as a solution to improve the environment and not like as something that destroy that environment.
Well, you're absolutely right. When we are processing tons of data using machine learning, we are like using a lot of power. a lot of water. It's incredible the amount of water that we're using there. So the best way to address this concern is to use energy efficient models. It's more sophisticated. It's not just doing models, it's doing energy efficient models, having the concern of
Like, like for example, recently DeepSeek or
like that.
Command.
Using
Okay,
yeah, it's like reusing things that are already done, being smart in not consuming a lot of energy, the processing the data. The other way is, for instance, we are partner of Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services is neutral. It's carbon neutral and water neutral. So they give more
okay,
water than they use. So the best way is to get leverage the hyperscalers capacity to be more friendly with the environment.
like super assistant in the palm of your hand and with your cell phone. That's some really interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, Andres, uh, thank you for giving me this space. It has been a pleasure talking with you, and see you later. Thank you.
See you, Manuel. Thank you.